Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Toni and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids. Now, I have one unboxing video that just came out, which was with Christian Light Education. And today I have another one that I'm gonna open up, which has 2 different companies. One is Rainbow Resource and one is Biblioplan. And I've got just a little bit, so I thought I'd combine them together. So, if you like unboxings, and this is kind of like Christmas in August, then you're gonna love this. So if you wanna see what I got, the goodies that I got, then stay tuned. What should we do first? Let's do Biblioplan. So I already have some of my stuff from Biblioplan. So I've got one thing here that actually came from Biblioplan that I needed, that I didn't have. And then I have another thing that I got used on Facebook Marketplace. So let's see what's inside of this package. I actually don't remember what this is. Okay, so we're doing early modern days with Biblioplan. So I needed a couple things. I have some that we used before, and I have some that I needed that I didn't have. So this is Cool History for Middles. They've changed their covers a little bit, which is cool. This is what it used to look like. So some of them have changed and some haven't. So this one is Cool History for Middles. Let's see if it looks the same on the inside. It's pretty similar. So this is just the question book. So this is is this the only one I got? Okay. Oh, so my 6th grader and my 8th grader are both going to be doing this together. So I have 2 of those. So Cool History for Middles. So this is kind of like a quiz book, if you want to do it like that, or it's just basically comprehension questions that help you see if, they understood what they read. So I've got one of those for each of them, and it's nice because they have lines, so I can just assign it to them and they write the answers in. And then I also got Cool History for Advanced for my 10th grader because she is going to be doing the high school book, which I'm so excited about. But this should be the same, very similar, probably harder in some way, but that's her little question book. So I ordered that from Biblioplan. And then I have a package that should be her textbook for Biblioplan that I ordered on Facebook Marketplace. So I am trying to save money this year. Anybody else trying to save money? So I tried to do this year as cheap as possible. Most of you guys by now have probably seen my update video just about our life being a little crazy, and it was kind of questionable whether I was even going to be able to homeschool. Well, I am homeschooling this year, yay. But I needed to be frugal on some stuff. So buying used was one of the best options for that. Okay, oh, this lady's smart. I was like, if you have brown paper, look what she did. She used the bag. Smart. Talk about being frugal. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, these are the textbooks for, making a lot of noise. These are the textbooks for high school. So it comes in 2 volumes. So we have Volume 1, Early Modern History, and then Volume 2 for Early Modern History. So I will do a flip through of Biblioplan stuff. This looks just like the Remember the Days guide. On the inside, it looks very, very similar, but it's supposed to be jam-packed with more information and just a better understanding of history, where the Remember the Days textbook is more of kind of a quick overview, and this is like an this is more of an in-depth look into history. So I'm actually really excited for her to do this. I know it's gonna be a little bit more on her plate this year, but if it helps her understand history more, then it's gonna be better. Okay, let's check out the other box. All right, the other box is from Rainbow Resource. I didn't take my name tag off yet, so. Okay, let's see what we got. I love unboxings. I asked on YouTube a couple weeks ago, or recently, if people still like unboxings. So I was like, I feel like a lot of people don't do it. They just say, this is what we're using this year, and they hold up their curriculum, and which means they must have opened it on their own. I like doing it like this and showing you guys. I mean, I guess I'm not showing you the box, but I don't know. fun. Okay, so let's see what we got. Alrighty, Roo. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. All right, so this is all the stuff for my 10th grader's science. So we are doing Discovering Design with Biology. So I have a microscope. I have a microscope slide kit. This wasn't the end of the world expensive. It was kind of, let's see, oh, it's all like wrapped up in there, but it's got all the stuff that we'll need. I felt like that was a must for biology. I'm like, I do not want to be searching for random stuff when we're doing biology. Here is, let's see what's in here. Discovering Design with Biology Dissection Supply Kit. She is going to freak out. I'm kind of scared too. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, here's a little peek. Okay, there's some dead stuff in there. She's going to freak out, and my son is probably going to freak out too because he watches this channel, The Outdoor Boys, and lately the last couple videos that they've done have they show how to live in the wilderness, which means you're going to catch fish, and then you're going to bone the fish and take the scales off or whatever you do to get a fish ready. And he kind of freaked out and didn't like that. So anyway, and then they did something with a pig where they showed roasting a pig over a fire, and he was not having it. He wants to be an outdoor boy. Here's the other stuff I'm taking out of the box, but he doesn't like the, chopping them up. Okay, so here's what we've got. So we have the answer key for Discovering Design with Biology. This is with Berean Builders. This was a very, very long process to make this decision, but I'm actually really excited. Ooh, that's a big honking book. So here's the book, Discovering Design with Biology. I'm really, really excited about this. I actually was like, I felt like she was gonna need videos this year, but she was like, I don't need videos, I can do the textbook on my own. So I was like, all right, if you're sure. And then here's the student workbook. So we will see how that goes. Oh, it's like it's empty. That was weird. Like the first half has stuff and the second half is just blank pages for lab notes. That's kind of weird. But okay, so that's all the stuff from Rainbow Resource. I will have a video coming up soon that I will show you what each of my kids is doing for the school year. So if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on that, because that will be coming up in the next week. I have one more box. I have 2 more boxes to unbox, and I'll have a video with that. Then I'm gonna just present everything in a pretty little bow that this is what my 10th grader's using, this is what my 8th grader's using, so all that stuff. So just make sure you don't miss that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.